Indian classical dances started way back in 200 BC. They were performed as a celebratory activity during Hindu festivals and worship. These dances are very vibrant, expressive, and spiritual. Many of these are based on mythological stories and historic events. Bharathanatya originated in Tamil Nadu and popular in South India. Kuchipudi originated in Andhra Pradesh. Mohini attam and Kathakali belong to Kerala. Odyssi from Orissa is very graceful. Manipuri dance from Manipur and Sattriya from Assam. Lastly, Kathak originated from Uttar Pradesh.